Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Recipe for today is Angwamo, also known as braised rice. Come along with me as I take you through the process of making this amazing recipe. Let's begin by transferring our coconut oil into our cooking pot. So for this recipe, I will be using coconut oil, which will give me this amazing, delicious taste, guys. So guys, heat up your oil, add in your chopped onions and give it a good stir till your onions begins to sweat out. It is time to add in my beef and give it a good stir on low heat so it can absorb the delicious taste of my onions. My all natural spice blend goes in at this point in time. Allow it to simmer for some few minutes or seconds on low heat. I will be adding in my washed rice at this point in time, as you can see on your screen, and give it a good stir on a low heat. In every recipe, I've got a secret ingredient that makes my food very delicious. And with this recipe, it is my coconut milk. So guys, I will be adding my homemade coconut milk at this point in time. You can get this recipe on my YouTube channel at Hans Kitchen and you would love it. So guys, I will be giving it a good stir at this point in time, still on low heat. Cooking on low heat gives you this amazing and unique taste to your food, guys. It makes it so nice. Look at how creamy my Angwamo is looking. Charlie, hey, I just can't wait. Time to add in my water. Give it a good stir and add in my salt to taste. And guys, cover it and allow it to cook until it's ready. Check your salt content and cover it and allow it to cook until it's ready on low or medium heat, guys. After some minutes, I will be checking up on my rice, and guys, this is the perfect time to cover it with my clean foil. I will be enjoying my Angwamo with some hot Ghana pepper sauce and also fried egg. So guys, I will be adding some of the coconut milk to my egg, whisked together properly and fry. You can get this amazing egg recipe and hot Ghana pepper sauce recipe on my YouTube channel at Hans Kitchen. Guys, Hans Kitchen, your diet, my headache. Ejanepa day. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, it's the perfect time to check up on my Angwamo, aka braised rice. This food smells so divine, Charlie. Hey, it be K. So I see. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to share this amazing recipe video with a loved one, and also please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That's if you are new to this amazing channel, and if you are old, you know how we do it. Big ups to you, cause Charlie, without you there is no Hans Kitchen. Hans Kitchen, your diet, my headache. Ejanepa day. See you with another video. Bye guys.